Hello, children. Let us begin lesson number 6 each drop in this video. After studying this lesson, you explain the water cycle, measure the water used in daily life by using informal measurements, classify the sources of water that are suitable for drinking, make a list of problems caused due to shortage and wastage of water, and understand the importance of recycling of water and rainwater harvesting. Okay, these are the different points which we will be able to understand after this lesson. Three parts. Here one poem has been given. It's very related. It's a song or a poem related to the water cycle. Three parts of the earth is full of water. The water evaporates due to heat of the sun. See here, because we already have learned that three-fourth part of the earth is full of water. It means they are in the form of seas, oceans, rivers, isn't it? The water evaporates due to heat of the sun. What happens here? Water evaporates due to heat of the sun. The water vapor travels towards the sky, as you can see in this picture. It gets cooled and changes into water droplets, as you can see here, raindrops. Okay, the droplets of water together form clouds. What is present in this cloud? Nothing but the droplets of water. The clouds float so high in the sky. What happens here? The clouds float so high in the sky. Cold wind around the clouds, the droplets of water become heavier. It means when cold wind come in contact with these drops, they, they become heavier and fall in the form of rain. The rainwater joins streams and ponds. This water evaporates once again. It means the process is again continued. Yes, children. And now let us begin the main explanation part of this lesson. In this picture, you can see the process of evaporation. Okay, it means it's all about the water cycle. Here, we can see the conversation between water droplets and the children. Yes, here. Oh, that picture you are looking at? Water droplet is asking. This is the picture of the water cycle. Children are telling this is the picture of water cycle. Next, water cycle. What is it? Let us see now the explanation. Where do you see the water being evaporated in your house? Water in the right in the space given. Water droplet is asking a question. Where do you see the water droplet being evaporated in your house? Right in the space given. Here we can say that while boiling any liquid, we see water evaporating, especially water. And means we can see while boiling milk also we can see there is some sort of water content present in the milk, isn't it? While boiling milk, while boiling water, while cooking liquid foods, okay, while cooking sambar, while cooking rice, we see water has been evaporated. Next, observe the vessel on the stove while cooking. Here is telling that water droplet is telling asking us to observe the vessel on the stove while cooking. As you can see in these both pictures. Even in school, you can do the experiment of boiling water. Okay, children. So we can see in this picture that water has been evaporated. Here one know this part has been given, that is when the water boils, it evaporates. It means the vapor, it changes into vapor. In the same way, due to the sunset, water gets evaporated in your surroundings. Okay, from the rivers, streams, ponds, lakes, oceans, etc. Isn't it, children? Write the differences that you observed in the experiment in the space given. So the difference is that while boiling water, we can see the water being evaporated. Water is moving upside the vapor into vapor form. Next, what the droplet says here, see. Due to the heat of the sun, water boils. Yes or no? Gets evaporated and rises up. Then the amount of water in the vessel decreases. This we have observed in the due to heat. Due to heat, water boils, gets evaporated and rises up. Then the amount of water in the vessel decreases. Okay, because water has been some amount of water has been moved up. in the form of vapor. So we can see that there is a decrease in the level of water in the vessel. What happens to the water that has evaporated? What has happened to it? The water evaporated get mixed up in the air. What happened here? The evaporated water gets mixed in the air. Next, here is an activity. Let's conduct an experiment to know what happens to the evaporated water. So let us see. Before that, we can say that know this part, it's very important here. Water is a liquid. Yes or no, children? When it is boiled, it becomes vapor. This is the gaseous state of water. This process of changing water from liquid state to gaseous state is called evaporation. At last, we can say that what is evaporation? The process of changing water from liquid state to gaseous state. Water is in liquid state. When it changes to vapor, it becomes a gaseous state. This is called as evaporation. For this, there is a small activity. Even you can do at your home, children. Okay, take a small plastic bag, pour some water into it, tie the open end of the bag with a thread, place the plastic bag in the sunlight, observe the bag after 1 or 2 hours. Okay, as you can tie the plastic bag like as shown in this picture, and it has to be filled with a water. Okay, children, you can do it at your home also. Next, answer these questions. What happened to the water in the bag? What do you see on the upper part of the bag? See, I have written already, I have written the answer. Now let me read it. We can see, sorry, I didn't write see here. We can see droplets of water due to evaporation. And when vapor is cooled, it is condensed. Condensed, it becomes heavier. Next, we now let us read the know this part here. Due to heat of the sun, water gets evaporated and rises up. As we can see, we have seen earlier. Due to the cool air, water vapor turns into drops of water. Due to cool air, water vapor turns into drops of water. This process of changing water vapor into liquid state is called as condensation. What is condensation? The process of changing water vapor into liquid state is called as condensation. Okay, children. All right. Here next. What do water drops tells here? All right, with the help of the experiment that you have observed, fill in the blanks given below. You can use the clues given. Here, a few clues have been given, and we have to fill up the blanks here in this part. So, in simple words, we can see here water cycle representation. See here, water when it is in liquid state, when it heated, it changes to evaporation. Okay, process has been evaporation take place. That is what change of water's liquid state to vapor state. Next, and when the water gets in contact with cool air, it condenses. This is known as the condensation. Next, water in the water bodies, soil, plant, and animals gets evaporated. Yes, children, water in the water bodies, soil, plant, and animals get evaporated due to heat of the sun. The evaporated form of water enters the air and rises up. It gets condensed by cool air, turns into droplets of water. These droplets, the droplets of water form clouds. When the clouds become cool due to cool air, small droplets of water together become large droplets and come down to the earth in the form of rain. This is called as water cycle. I hope this part has been clear to you, children. And next part of this lesson we shall continue in a next video. Thank you, children.